Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the text. Open the slide and click the text box you want to change. Once selected, double-click to place the cursor or press Command + to select everything. This lets you replace or style quickly. Make sure the format inspector is visible so you can change font, size, color, and alignment. If you need to type new content, start typing now. Keynote preserves styles unless you explicitly choose a different font or paste with formatting options. Now refine the text so it reads and looks right. Apply bold, italic, or underline with the toolbar or shortcuts to emphasize words. Once done, tweak line spacing, paragraph spacing, and kerning and text style to improve readability and balance on the slide. If you need consistent changes across many slides, use Replace or Find with Command + F to update repeated phrases. Make sure bullet indentation and list styles are consistent so everything aligns. Small spacing fixes make a big visual difference. Finish by previewing the slide in play mode to catch overflow, clipping, or alignment problems. Viewing full screen shows real issues. Once satisfied, lock or group text boxes and nearby objects so you don't accidentally move them during further edits. Export a PDF or test on a second device to verify fonts and spacing remain stable. If text reflows or fonts shift, resolve it by embedding or switching to a system-compatible font. That one troubleshooting tip fixes most cross.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.